Hey, I just logged into ServiceNow NowAssist developer and found that the NowAssist now allow, text to app prompt like we are very familiar with other vibe coded platform. So it looks like it's pretty easy to use. Same thing, same experience what used to be through Lovable and other like a Bootstrap, other vibe coding platform. The beauty here is it is pretty much integrated with ServiceNow Now platform. So when you vibe code using a prompt, it basically creates your all app code, which is basically the TypeScript code, Node.js based application, because ServiceNow's foundation is based on the JavaScript. Now, the interesting thing is what we saw is, it's very tightly integrated. So Now Assist has always an app creation option, like a low code option. But now this is more of a traditional AI coding approach where you basically see the same coding files with your familiar VS Code like environment. It is a VS Code actually, like a code server, but it has an integrated AI chatbot or assistant, which you see on the right side, and it's using Anthropic Claude model at this moment, which is good. That's one of the best coding model. But the beauty is that it's right now, having an option to deploy directly into Now platform, and then you go ahead and test it. And if you go to the Now Studio, you can see you'll be seeing Now Studio. Let it deploy first. It's still yeah, we got the app built, we got the URL deployed. Now you see this is deployed. And next, if you go to the Now Studio, you are seeing the all the component, the database tables and everything. So pretty cool. This is an existing, it was there before, but I think the Now Assist AI based coding or agentic coding is something new, and pretty exciting to see ServiceNow finally integrated this. And I think this will accelerate the ServiceNow platform development and finally bring the ServiceNow platform into the latest Gen AI based architecture. And I think enterprise will get a real benefit because now they will be able to use it and um, build various micro apps which traditionally we had to because ServiceNow has a lot of critical data and insights. But to get that, we had to integrate with rely on some of the other apps. Now this will be baked into the platform. And so this is an app I was using for an example, like license tracking for various software, where you have various configuration items, and for a software, for example, and you want to track their licenses and see that how much is there. You can build, this is an example, build similar apps like that. And I'll be exploring more. But the good thing is, the only thing is right now I have a free developer instance here, so I'm limited to certain prompt. Looks like I have only 10 prompts available. But I think I was reading the news that from 15th or 16th of April